Buongiorno! Welcome to the tutorial for registration to the University of Milano Bicocca. First of all, you have to open the university website and select Segreteria Online in the left side of the page. This will be your personal website for handle your career in the university. On the left side, press registration and read carefully the instructions. Now you have to insert your tax code if you already have one, otherwise check the second box. Now, fill with your personal data and select Forward. This is just an example, please fill with your real data. Fill the blanks with your Italian address if you already have a permanent address in Italy. In this case, you have to check Yes at the end of the page. If you don't have an Italian permanent address, you have to insert the permanent one in your country. And, in this case, you have to check No at the end of the page and insert your current address in Italy. Fill the page with your personal email and personal phone number, even if it's not an Italian one. It is almost done. Pay attention to the instruction and choose a secure password for your further login in the website. Now, check if your data are correct and press Confirm. Great job, you're done! Welcome to the University of Milano Bicocca.